guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'll be talking about a new website. So every now and then I do come up with hauls from different websites so that you guys, my lovely subscribers, have an idea about different kind of websites that are available and where all you can get specific things if you're looking for like specific things. In particular today I'll be talking about a website which is called as Everpretty or Everpretty. I think it is Everpretty. So it is a paradise for all kinds of dresses. They have some amazing dresses of different types and the quality is phenomenal, guys. This is an international website. I think this is a US based website or an European website. I'm not very sure about this one, but I think their warehouse is in California. But don't be alarmed, you don't have to pay any custom charges. I'm going to tell you about this website as I proceed with the haul. Everything came really nicely packed in this packaging and everything actually came via the India Post, which was super duper good. Their delivery was good. They kind of delivered everything to me within, I think, within a span of 2 to 3 weeks only, and I did not pay any custom charges at all. So it was pretty quick delivery and everything was like super convenient. Let me quickly show everything that I've got. So I've got all the gowns of different types and they have some amazing ones. Trust me, you will have a hard time finding your favorite one. The first one that I got is in a beautiful mesh thing which has lace. I will of course give you the details of the fabric and everything, and it is so beautiful, guys. One of the gowns I've already worn, but the rest are brand new. It's very beautiful. It's a mesh one with a v-neck in the front and a similar v-neck at the back. They have this lace thing on a mesh fabric, and then they also have given a satin belt over here. It goes all the way to the bottom. It is very beautiful. It is very long as well, and it has a beautiful lining inside of it. It looks so nice, feminine, classy. I love the color of this one, but I can definitely wear it with some bralette or anything inside of it. I will give you the price of everything on the screen, guys. It also has this stretchy thing here at the waist, so it is kind of good. I got myself in the size US size 06 and which is UK size 10, and all of these fit me so well. I love this one for some reason. It is, of course, all of these are my favorite ones. So on to the next dress, guys. This is a dress that everybody loved. I showed this dress to my sister, my friends, and they loved it to pieces. First of all, the quality of the fabric is so good. Look at this. This is a very beautiful royal navy blue color. It is one of my most favorite colors. Again, it is kind of sleeveless, but it has these kind of rhinestones over here. It has the rhinestones here as well, and this part over here feels so good quality. Of course, you can see it through the camera, I'm pretty sure. This is a very good quality fabric, and especially this part right over here feels so luxurious. At the back also they have this kind of fabric, and it has a zipper, of course. This one also has zipper. All of the gowns that I'm showing you I think will have zipper. And then it has a kind of a band over here. The rhinestones are pretty good quality, and at the bottom it has a kind of a pleated you know, effect, and it is so beautiful, fits so well, looks so stunning. The fabric, even though it is kind of a chiffon fabric, feels so soft, has a very good flow. It has been sitting scrunched up in the poly bag underneath a pile of clothes, but still it is not that smushed. I think I can still wear it, but of course if you want to look a little bit more spruced up, this needs a little bit of ironing, but I think it is such a stunning piece. I love this piece to pieces, I cannot tell you. So it also has a slight bit of a padding here in the breast part. It has a cup padding, which of course you cannot remove. So if you have smaller busts, probably you don't have to wear a bra underneath, but if you are heavy chested, you definitely need some support. I mean, this will be not enough, but it is such a stunning gown. It's such a stunning piece of dress. Definitely, if you guys are planning to buy something for any special occasion, I would definitely recommend you this, guys, especially this particular dress. I would totally recommend you guys go ahead and try this out. I think they are having a free shipping over, I think, $30 US, and they do not take that long to deliver as well. I will talk about the payment method in a while, but if you like this dress, you can definitely go ahead and give this a go. I really love this one. Definitely one of my most favorite one. I'm not doing justice to it by showing you like this, but of course you can see it in the try on. It is so beautiful. Then on to the next beautiful piece that I have over here is this one. Now this one is also very stunning. I have gone more for the sober colors and the neutral colors, so I loved this one. It looked so stunning on the model who was wearing it. Again, this can be a really beautiful dress for any kind of an occasion. First of all, the quality of the mesh over here is so good. If you think it is a lot see-through. I don't think once you wear it, I think it kind of mellows down with open hair and all of that. The only thing is that this is sleeveless, so if you're not very comfortable, of course you can have sleeves stitched on, maybe a mesh sleeve, but it is such a beautiful dress that you cannot really just give a passing reference to. People will definitely take note of it, and this will be kind of a head turner kind of a dress. So it is kind of see-through lace work or the mesh thing on the top, and then it has this very beautiful satin like nice fabric inside of it, and has this sweetheart thing in the front. It has a sweetheart neckline, and then it goes all the way to the bottom, and the bottom part is kind of scalloped, so it's really pretty. The only problem is that if you want to get this altered, then you'll have to get rid of the scalloping, I guess. That is the only annoying part, but if you are kind of my height, 5 feet 3 inches tall, then you can pretty much get away by wearing nice pair of heels. So they kind of fit me fine lengthwise. At the back they have a keyhole like this one, and yeah, that's about it. It's very simple and looks really stunning. Again, to get in and out, they have a zipper over here, a concealed zipper. It's a very beautiful, feminine and an amazing dress. I really love this one as well. I love all of them actually. So I'm going to show you the next dress now, which I've already worn, and it's a very beautiful dress. The combination is something I loved. Even though I do not like the quality of this one as much, but I love how it looks on me. It's a very beautiful red and black. I mean, it's kind of a very obvious kind of a color combination, black and red, but looks stunning at the same time. A little bit of a banding over here, some lace work on the top, and some lace work over here as well at the waist, and then it goes all the way to the bottom. So they have a satin fabric inside of it, and at the top of it they have this mesh work. So the only thing is that with this you have to wear seamless underwear, because whatever the contours of the body, the satin actually highlights. So the panty line and everything is very visible. So with this one, I think with all the gowns that has satin as fabric, definitely needs a seamless underwear. So that is my tip to you guys. At the back they have this kind of elasticated bag, so it kind of fits really well. Again, all the sizes of all of these gowns are size 10, which is UK size 10 and US size 6 for your reference, and these are kind of shipped everywhere worldwide. And if you talk about the payment part of it, then they do not accept cash on delivery, but you can pay via PayPal, you can pay using any credit card, you can also pay using Amazon Pay. So Amazon Pay is pretty easy, and their return and exchange policy is also very simple. I think they have this 30 days of return policy. I'll leave a link to their FAQs and about the company and everything, where you can read about this particular company, and in general I really like it. I think one of you also wanted me to do a video on this particular website. Do let me know if you're the one, okay? Let me know. So what do you think about this one? I think it is such a stunning dress, especially I love the neckline of it. You guys know I love scoop necklines. It is a very beautiful dress, guys. I simply love this one. Moving on to the next dress, which I absolutely love, is this one. So honestly, let me tell you one thing, that if I were to marry tomorrow and if I had to choose a dress from my entire collection, I would probably pick this dress up for my marriage. It is a very beautiful dress. At the same time, it is a very modest dress as well. This is in a very beautiful grey color, which is a steel grey color, I guess, and it is all this beautiful material. I don't know what you call this material. It is so sophisticated and it looks really classy. The sleeves, they have given this 3/4 length sleeves, which are see-through. Then here at the button, let me just hook this higher. So the front, they also have this padding inside of it. So again, if you have smaller chest, you can pretty much not wear anything inside, but if you are heavy chested, you need something extra for the support. It looks like this. It has a very beautiful satin band in front of it, which gives this beautiful dress a kind of a nice touch, I think. And then it goes all the way to the bottom, and it has this amazing fabric on top, and then inside of it, it has a very beautiful satin fabric inside of it. It has a very good fall, guys, and I love the back part of it. The back also looks stunning. So it is a very modest piece. There's no skin flashing or anything. So the back looks like this. Again, the band is over here, and then it goes all the way to the floor. It's a very stunning dress. Do let me know, what do you think about it? So I think I've pretty much mentioned everything about this website. Honestly, if you're looking for some cool dresses for any function, occasion, do try giving this website a chance. I'm pretty sure it's not going to disappoint you. The interface is very easy easy, very friendly, very user friendly actually. I'll leave a link of all the dresses that I've shown you guys in the description box below so that you can check these dresses out. And also guys, I will leave the link of their website. It was a pretty refreshing experience for me to try out Everpretty or Everpretty. The dresses, the collection is amazing. I definitely give this website a thumbs up. So that's it in this video of mine guys. Do let me know which was your favorite dress from this haul. And yes, if you have purchased anything from this website, make sure that you share your experience with us in the comment section below. I would appreciate it a lot. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. Give this video a quick like guys if you've liked this video, and also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I come up with a lot of hauls from different websites, new websites. I tell you about new deals, I review products, and sometimes I also, if I'm in a mood, I do sit down here and do some chit chat videos as well. So if you like those kind of videos, you can definitely be a part of this family by hitting that subscribe button. It's totally free of cost, and also hit that bell button as well so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much. Bye guys.